Good day everyone, we are MIS Starlight and in this video, we will be asking some students about their opinion regarding the asynchronous learning due to high heat index and this is what they said. Magandang hapon po kuya, may mga ilang katanungan lang po kami para sa iyo. Are you in a favor of asynchronous learning due to the current high heat index or would you rather have a face-to-face classes?
For me, nag-agree ako sa asynchronous learning kasi alam naman natin na hindi tayo comfortable na mag-aral kapag sobrang init yung panahon. Dahil sa pagkainit ng panahon din, para nawawalan tayo ng interest na mag-focus sa mga discussions ng mga teachers natin and that is why I agree with asynchronous learning. Siguro may mga problems kapag asynchronous learning like online classes, may mga walang cellphone, may mga walang load. But sa tingin ko, kapag nasa bahay sila, meron naman sila mga friends na pwede nilang makasama, na magsagot ng mga modules or ng mga activities na kailangan nilang ipasa. And pwede naman itong ipasa pag may face-to-face learning na. Kaya for me, total sobrang init naman, kailangan talagang magkaroon tayo ng asynchronous classes muna ngayon.
Maraming salamat po. How are you personally dealing with the heat?
Ito, nagtitiis na lang sa init ng panahon.
Are you in favor of asynchronous learning due to the current high school heat index or would you rather have to face-to-face classes?
Mas gugustuhin pa rin namin yung face-to-face kasi mas marami kami matutunan dun kasi sa module gan. Yun lang.
Mas gusto ko po module kasi mainit ang panahon.
And that is all for today's interview. Once again, this is MIS Starlight. Thank you for watching and I hope you all have a good day.